My name's Spencer Gavin. I'm a part-time used sports gear sales associate and a full-time Foley artist. How long have I been doing Foley? How long have I been alive? My mom and papa gave me my first field recorder when I was 2.5. Foley is everywhere. It's in the sound that we breathe. Allow me to demonstrate. Take this glass of water. I wish I brought my field recorder for that. Wow. I am an artist. A Foley artist. I take my work very seriously. This is RØDE, by the way. Well, over the years, we've amounted a pretty good following. We're about 32 deep now.
Is that 32,000?
No, it's 32 people, 32 individuals. Do I think people understand Foley? Well, do you think people understood Vincent van Gogh? It's not lucrative. I don't listen to music, I just listen to Foley. I can't stress enough the importance of warming up properly before recording Foley. This is a very dangerous profession, and some people don't take it seriously, but if you don't take the proper procedures and cautions before doing it, you could seriously injure yourself or those around you. Look, I know there's gonna be haters out there, but they can do them, I can do me, and I'm gonna be recording Foley until the day that I die.